Magandang araw mga kaluto! For today, we're going to make this really special recipe which is mango sago bilo. And this recipe is a favorite in many restaurants, but we are adding a new character to this, putting a Filipino character by adding Filipino coconut cream, and of course, we're going to add some bilo or glutinous rice balls. So here, we start out with a cup of rice flour, glutinous rice flour, and then we have to hollow this out. Okay, our water is boiling, and we put that in the center of our glutinous rice flour. We're going to make a cooked dough. It's advisable that you really use boiling water because you will have to cook the dough partially so that you can get some elasticity. So let's mix the dough until it's clay-like. Parang clay siya, no? Parang modeling clay. Ayan. Yung paggawa ng bilo. Once the dough is flexible, ito, flexible na siya, kakat na natin. So, pe-press natin. Pa-flat natin yung dough. Tapos, lalagyan natin ng halayang ube. So, may stuffing siyang halaya. Pagkagat mo sa bilo, when you bite into the bilo, merong surprise. Okay, mga kaluto, cook na natin yung bilo. Lagyan natin ng konting cooking oil, yung boiling water, and lagay na natin isa-isa yung ating bilo. So, ube stuffed bilo. Siguro mga 3 to 5 minutes of boiling time to. So medyo magfo-float siya, and that means that the glutinous rice ball is cooked. Okay, so lutang na siya mga kaluto. Ito yung ating bilo. Kunin na natin siya. And papahinga lang natin para mag-cool down. Palalamigin natin and assemble na tayo ng ating mango sago bilo. Since our bilo is cooked, it's time to assemble our mango sago bilo. What do? We start with our sago cooked in sugar. Okay, this is going to be our sweetener, and we are going to put our coconut cream, our Coco Mama. So this is very simple. Okay, we mix that, and then we put our mango nectar or mango puree. Okay, this is a blended fresh mango. Next is our mango cubes. Nothing better than a Philippine mango. Okay? As long as it's nice, ripe, sweet, but I like my mango. Gusto ko yung may konting bahid ng asin para litaw na litaw yung fruits. Okay, we put in our special bilo. It's chilled already by now. So this is our glutinous rice balls stuffed with ube. You can chill this and serve it already, or you can put it over crushed ice. And there you go. That is a special Coco Mama mango sago bilo. Okay mga kaluto, if you liked our recipe, please press the subscription button and please give me a thumbs up. You know, there are more videos coming, more nice cooking videos where you can get a lot of wonderful ideas for your home table. Maraming salamat, magandang araw sa inyong lahat mga kaluto, and see you on the next video.